Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to install Appeck smart spotlights on your house? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Today, we're going to unbox and install these Appeck brand smart spotlights actually on the house. Now, our friends at Appeck sent us these lights for free, and they previously sent us some Eve lights. They're permanent Eve lights that we installed in another video we'll link at the end. But the neat thing about this product is it connects through what's called the Smart Life app, which is a phone app, and you can program these lights to do all sorts of sequences, all sorts of colors, or just be white. And you can put timers on and all that stuff. So it's neat. And it's also neat that these come with different types of lights, so you can tie in your entire outside landscaping ambiance together. So that's enough details there. Comes nicely packaged. Go ahead and open it up. Now it comes with these stakes. So if you wanted to just screw these stakes in and put them in the ground, that would be the quickest and easiest way to do it. But we're not going to do it that way for a couple of reasons. But we're going to go ahead and put it on the house, and we'll explain what we're doing there. So cool, nice metal stakes, and then we have some instructions and everything else. And then this pack is of 4 lights. Now these come in 4 packs and 6 packs, and we'll link them in the description. You can check out the different specs on them. But they're nicely tied together, and very neat, and they're pretty well built. These are metal lights, and we already installed 4 of them on a different part of the house. But they have, they're adjustable. You can mount them, like I said, on that stake or straight on the house like we're gonna do. And then you have cords that you plug in, you pair it up with your app, and you're gonna do all sorts of neat things on your house. Gonna look really, really neat. So, gonna make this video short and sweet, get started installing, and walk you through the process. Be sure to stay tuned, it's about to get fun. Before you put them on the house, be sure to test plug them in just to make sure they work. That red flashing means in pairing mode, so you can pair them up to your phone before you put them on the house, before you put them in the yard, and that way you know you're good to go. Don't want to waste any time if there's a technical issue. You can certainly stick these directly into the ground, and that's the easiest way to do it, get you up and running. But we want to actually mount them to the house. As you can see from the 2 we've already mounted, we're going to neatly tuck the wires away, and then that way we never have to worry about hitting anything with a lawnmower or weed eater or anything else, and it's going to look really nice on the house. This does come with a nice black outdoor cable. Depending on the color of your house, it may or may not show. This is not a white house. We kind of put it underneath the shadow here, and it's not too visible from the street. So once you figure out where you want it, the first thing is unscrew the light, which is just going to take you just a second, and take that off so you can easily mount the holder. So figure out where you want that holder, and then you go ahead and mark it with a pencil. So what we have is it came with these nice anchors as well as some heavy-duty stainless steel screws. Now, if you have a nice wood siding or a hardy board or something, you can screw straight into that. That's ideal. This is sort of a styrofoam facade, so we have to actually use the anchors on this. But you're just going to go ahead and drill this in a 1/4 inch or a 5/16 drill bit. These need to be a little bigger than a 1/4. Then we're going to tap in these anchors and show you how this project works. It's pretty easy. I'm coming real close. I'm just going to go ahead and tap these in until they're flush. It's not a lot of weight, you know. It's just to make sure they stay nice and fixed. Then you're going to take your light mount, and using the provided hardware, you're just going to go ahead and put it in there. Start with the screws. Pretty easy. So we're right there. Then we're going to take that light that we just took off, and again, you can mount it all sort of directions. It's got these teeth in here. So we're going to take this little wing nut and just screw that in. And now we are mounted. I'm going to show you in just a minute how to go ahead and get these wires nice and tight up here. The key to that is going to be a combination. You need some sort of coax staples or wire connectors, or you could even use a power stapler here. So basically you just want to take one of these and you want to kind of get it fixed up here, and we're going to nail that in, and then we're going to do it along there as well as a stapler just to neat up all the wires. So stay tuned, we're almost done. We'll show you how it looks in just a second. We are all attached to the wall, all the cords are tied up. It's looking great. You can see they're on in the blue, and you really can't see it during daytime, of course. So we're going to take you back out here when it's dark and walk you through the Smart Life app to show you how that all works. overall, really easy install, very excited, love the fact interface with other products, and I also like that it's never gonna get in the way when we're mowing the yard or anything else. So stay tuned and we'll take you here at night to show you how this looks in the dark. Can't wait. Getting into Smart Life app, you can go ahead and make groups and organize it however you want. You can see right now that we have the white lights, and as we were showing you earlier, if we want to go to, let's say, just one of the light sets, we can change the color and we can make it that blue light like it had earlier when the sun was out, or you could make it green, or you could go with the yellow or any sort of white as sort of an uplight. And you can also adjust how bright it is, so you can dim it and you can make it really nice for everyday use. Now, for more excitement, you get into the scenes and you can start to change them into brilliant or Mediterranean or dazzling, and really, really neat. So to show you how this works, we have a group. So I want to show you with both the lights. So you turn all spotlights as a group. You can go ahead and change the color of all of them together. And again, you can do any of those shades of either the super cool white, or that, or you can get into the holidays, which is pretty fun. So you want to get into, let's say, St. Patrick's Day, where you have white and green, or you have Christmas. And then we also have Independence Day, red, white, and blue. Really pretty neat settings. Now the neat thing is, if you tie this into your overall house, you can make a group to where you can go ahead and you can put all the lights from your Eve lights like I talked about together, and you can have some really awesome lighting. And you can make custom profiles, so everything is doing a Christmas blinking. Or you can do, hey, I'm having a party, let's turn on some searchlights and make the house, you know, psychedelic, all the neighbors. Or you can just go ahead and just go to a nice all blue house, or all green house, or all white, and really be bright. Pretty cool. That was awesome. Love the way these look at night. Really, really neat. Very nice. You can use all through that Smart app. Again, if you want to check out the Appeck spotlights, you can go ahead and check them out in the description, get all the details on them, and again, all that whole line of products that we've gotten from Appeck that ties it up with the Eve lights and everything else. Really, really cool. Brings that wow factor to your house. So appreciate you tuning in, Mr. Greg's How To. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We do a lot of home how-to projects and different pool tips and barbecuing and you name it. If you like this video, be sure to tune in for more. Remember, all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.